As a largely temperate rainforest, Mount Worth State Park hosts a huge variety of animals, the most obvious being the birds, which attracts keen observers from far and wide.
Tanya Ireton from BirdLife Bayside.
And David Mules from Latrobe Valley Field Mats.
Oh, we had a lovely but fleeting view of a male rose robin. That was a gem.
Yes, and the large-billed scrub wren, that was hard to see. They scratch around in the branches, the lower branches of trees, or sometimes the higher branches, but you won't see them here. The trees are too tall. Yeah, the olive whistler, we've seen 3 or 4 now, I think. I got a photograph early on, and they have this sort of metallic ting to their call, and you can pick them quite easily. You don't get them very often. It's just places like Mount Worth where they're
wet forests.
Yeah.
And they're basically olive all over with a whitish throat.
Rosellas, kookaburra we had in the car park, yellow robins, white-browed scrub wrens. What else have we seen today?
We've seen crimson rosella, superb fairy wren,
yes,
brown gerygony. We heard crested shrike-tit and fantail cuckoos.
Yep.
What else have we had? Striated and brown thornbills, crescent honeyeater, yellow-faced honeyeater.
If you're here early, that's your best chance of seeing the lyrebird, which is probably the most exciting to see. They scratch around on the edges of paths, and you frequently get at least glimpses of them, if not a good view.
We do a bird count here in the middle of winter. We have to be here by 7 o'clock, and it's dark and it's silent. You can't hear a thing. And at 7:05, just as dawn breaks, the bush comes alive with bird song. So yeah, that's a good little activity that the Friends Group does.
So early this morning we were counting lyrebird song. A group of us, 17 of us, were at 3 or 4 different points of the park, and we were listening from 7 o'clock till 7:30 to hear the lyrebirds, and we've been doing it every year for the last 7 years, and so we're monitoring the population of lyrebirds in the park, and this is the best time of year to listen to them early in the morning. We use a compass and mark out the position they are, and we cross-reference with the other groups, so we may still be hearing the same lyrebird, but we can get an idea of how many lyrebirds are around in this particular area. It was a little bit wet today, but I was lucky I was under the picnic shelter, so I had the best place. But yeah, it has been colder. Yeah, it wasn't that cold this morning. I've been a lot colder, yeah.
So last year we had 5 monitoring points, and so I've marked those in red. And again, you draw lines. You take each of his data points and you draw a line, and where it is very clear that it is only one bird, you'll count that. This is a good one here, where there were 2 monitoring points, one at the start of the giant circuit and one up on Gardiner's Mill, and you could see that both of those heard this bird because there's lines drawn through it.
Okay, we were here, there, and that bird there, he's the first one every morning. We've been there 4 years now, and he's always the first, and he's always very noisy. When we tried to listen to this one, he kept coming over the top, and we've nearly got a name for him now, because he's there every year. Same bird, same place, same distance. So they must be very territorial. Yeah.